Good evening. Welcome. You all are aware that it is going to start from 20th. So now delegate card distribution will begin from 18th, from morning 10 a.m. to evening late night 10 p.m. outside Kala Academy. Last date of delegate registration is 20th November till 5:30 p.m. People's Film Village will have at SAG Football Ground from 21st to 27th, which includes movie screening, activities for children, musical program and celebrity interviews. And this activity will be open for all the public. Goan section during IFFI, one short film has been selected, which is directed by Gopinath S. Sandelkar. There will be public screening at Joggers Park, Altino, where film connected with sports will be screened from 21st to 27th from 7 p.m. onwards, which will be again open for all. Number of delegates registered till now is 7,291, out of which paid are 3,918 and 945 students are already registered for IFFI this year. This is in addition to 3,918. So we have around 4,900 registration as on now. Serendipity Art Festival in association with ESG will present films on football at Art Park. This will start from 22nd to 27th of November. An art college exhibition at Promenade that will right from Kala Academy to ESG.
Akshay Kumar would be there at the opening ceremony. So we are working towards making it a very strong kind of a very entertaining thematic kind of an opening and closing ceremony. The festival this year would showcase about 212 films, 212 from about 68 countries. The international competition section has 15 films, out of which 3 are Indian. I mean, that is a mandatory thing that has gone on for a long period of time. And the competition section represents films produced and co-produced by about 22 countries. We evoke interest among people who gather, and it makes it interesting. So perhaps the intergenerational connect comes in the form of Moni Kapoor discussing cinema with Jahanvi and Arjun. So that is something which would be once, I mean, I'm just giving you a bit of tweak as to what we want to do. There is something with Varun Dhawan, Rohit Dhawan and David Dhawan. So that is another segment that we are planning to do. So this is a kind of a generational connect that we are trying to offer.